Welcome wherever you are right now, and whatever you are doing, take this moment for yourself. There is nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. Simply allow yourself to pause. If possible, sit comfortably or stand with a relaxed posture. Gently soften your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Now bring your attention to your breathing. Without changing anything, simply notice your breath. Notice the air flowing in and the air flowing out. Feel the gentle rise of your chest, the expansion of your ribcage, the movement of your abdomen. Each breath is a reminder that you are alive, present, and connected to this moment. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale calm, exhale tension, inhale peace, exhale stress. Allow your breathing to find a natural rhythm. With every breath, let yourself settle a little deeper into the present moment. Now bring awareness to your body. Notice any sensations that are present. Perhaps you feel warmth, coolness, pressure, tingling, or relaxation. There is nothing to fix, nothing to chain. Simply observe, as if you are watching gentle waves moving across the surface of a calm lake. If you notice any areas holding tension, imagine your breath flowing into those spaces. As you exhale, allow that tension to soften and release. Feel your forehead relaxing, your eyes becoming soft, your neck and shoulders loosening, your arms becoming heavy and relaxed, your chest open and easy, your legs grounded and supported. Now silently repeat these words. I am here. I am present. I am safe. I am calm. Allow these words to settle naturally into your mind. As thoughts appear, simply notice them. There is no need to fight them, no need to judge them. Thoughts are like clouds passing through the sky. They come and they go. Each time your mind wanders, gently return your attention to your breath. This simple act of returning is meditation, not perfection, just returning. Now expand your awareness beyond your body. Notice the sounds around you, near sounds, distant sounds. Allow them to exist without labeling them, without resistance. Notice the temperature of the air, the feeling of your clothing against your skin, the space surrounding you. You are fully awake to this moment, connected to yourself, connected to life. Take a moment now to appreciate the gift of simply being. No rushing, no striving, just being. Rest here in quiet awareness, breathing naturally, present with whatever is here. Pause. Now take your deepest breath of this meditation. Inhale fully, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment and slowly exhale with a gentle sigh. Feel a wave of relaxation move through your body. Notice how you feel right now. Perhaps calmer, more centered, more grounded. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day. Remember that peace is always available within you. One breath, one moment, one pause at a time. Thank yourself for taking these 5 minutes to reconnect with your mind, body, and breath. When you are ready, awareness back to your surroundings and continue your day feeling calm, clear, and present. Namaste. Enjoyed this meditation? Tap like, subscribe to Calmify Meditation, and leave a comment with the word calm. If you're feeling more relaxed right now, we'll see you in the next meditation session. Namaste.